Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Expert Computer Tech. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon to get more tech and tricks video updates. Thank you.
Hello friend, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook business page for your business. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's say you are running a business and you want to promote your business online. Then Facebook business page is one of the best way to reach out new customers. So let's start. I will show you how to create a Facebook business page. For that we need to open our Facebook account like so this is my Facebook page. It's already open. Okay, so we need to click here on the 6 dot the menu bar on the right top corner. Once we click here, it will give us the option that's a page. We need to click on the page and then it will give us the layout of our Facebook page. As soon as we will put all the information, it will show us here. Okay, so first of all we need to type our business name, like I'm typing here for example. You can see it's showing here. Okay, and then category here, computer service and repair. You can put your business category, whatever you can put here 3 categories. Okay, I'm putting 2 only here. And then we need to put the description here. We need to type here the description for our business. Okay, and it will be good idea if you keep ready your description on a notepad, so that you can copy and paste it that time while creating the page. So I have ready my description, so I'm just pasting it here. Okay, and then we need to click on create page. Okay, it's saying computer service was created. You can now add image or go to your page to add more details. Okay, so as soon as we click on next, it is giving us more option here, like our profile picture. So we can just simply click here and add the profile picture like this. Let me check. Sorry, this is the wrong one. I can delete it. Okay, like this. And if we want to change it, simply we can delete here. We can change it from here. And also it asking for the cover page. You can see the profile picture came here. Okay, and then we need a cover picture also for our business page. Simply we can click here on this one. Sorry, it was the wrong one. I made the cover page the another picture. Like this. Okay, and you can see, I think it looks good now. Okay, then simply we need to click on save. Okay, As soon as we'll click on save, it's saying you are now interacting as a computer service. So now we need to give our phone number here if you want, okay, so that customer can give us call, okay. And if you don't want to, we can just leave this page, leave it, okay. And after that we need to give some more, we can put some more information here, like our profile, like if we scroll it down, it's under the about section we can enter our location here. From here we can put our location, okay. If our business is online, we can simply click on here, my page does not have a location, we can click here, like if we are running any online business, okay. So we can click here, and then we can, if we have any website, we can put our website link here. And if we want to put our email address, we can type here our email address, okay. And we can type our business hours also here, if it's always open, okay. We can type anything, we can give us like the hours, okay, the opening hour time and closing time, Monday, Tuesday, everything, okay. So we can edit it according to our business under the about section, okay. So this is how we can create the Facebook business page for our business, okay. And whenever we want to check our page, simply we need to click here on the left side, we need to click on the page here, it will give us the option here like the our page on the top, it's saying computer services that we just created. Simply click here and it will take us to our page. We didn't put our phone number here, we can put our phone number here, so that it will take to our business page directly. It's saying complete your page, we can complete our page, like all the information like phone number, everything. I don't want to put my phone number here right now, that's why. So this is very simple to create a business page, okay. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get new update. Thank you.